Yeah, hi YouTubers. Uh, Back to F250 6.0. Uh, Here we start putting the parts back after we cleaning the engine bay from oil, and we I put the oil filter bays, then air intake manifold back to their place. I check the IPR valve in the back over here also, just nothing wrong with it, just took it off, checked, change the o-ring, put it back clean. Now here I want to show you something. In order to take off the air intake manifold, I took off that water line which has o-ring over here. I'm going to show you the part number because this one comes individual, you have to order it. So this is the part number of it, and this is the o-ring look like this. Yeah, you go back to this area here. So now I want to show you also the all other part number which I used. The turbocharger, I mean this one was for the order it EGR maybe EGR. This I believe this dude I order parts for it, which is how do I put it? Yep. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this one. When I ordered the parts for it, it came with the turbocharger, I believe. So with those all together, and this is the oil pressure switch. I need to replace it because it's leaking from the top of it. It's the part number. This is the air intake manifold gasket number, and this one very important also when you do oil cooler replacement or clean repair leak. You need that filter which is look like this. Mine was ripped, the screen was ripped, so that's this one you need to replace it. It's the part number of it. And over here I have the, I don't really remember what's have inside this one, but this is all what you need. I'm going to show you all the parts number. They come kit. The only one I ordered it alone, and it come with another kit, which is this gasket for the EGR cooling line. I believe they come together with the blue hose all together in one kit. That's the number of it. Now this is the oil cooler set kit. Come those inside, look like this. This is the old ones, and I have one extra also remain in the kit. Those they also come with one of those kit. So you have the only one I'm gonna return this one. You don't have to order this guy because it comes with the kits. So all the other parts, that's what you need actually. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know if you need this one. 7. So clean the throttle body valve, clean that. I'm ready to start putting all the parts together back. Before putting those, I'm gonna install the turbocharger first, then oil cooler filter base, then the throttle body valve, and this one too. So yeah, I'll keep you posted about the rest.